Oh, that's what coverage is again here between Yale and North Carolina. If you're joining us, it's an unbelievably well fast match. Let's come down to the Peterson for Yale, taking the first approach. Oh, spectacular! North Carolina's goalkeeper Richard just left one in past him now. So now the burden rests on Yale's Scott Sterling.
Here he comes, nerves of steel, that man, dealing with more pressure now than a submarine.
Indeed.
Home crowd showing some appreciation.
Johnson places the ball on the spot, getting ready. That man literally has a cannon for a leg.
Yes, he does.
Here he goes, winding up for the shot, and oh! The cannon has fired and hit Sterling directly to the face.
We clocked that at a
116 goals as well. Now that's a lot of miles per hour. This just has no number. Oh, indeed. Now Sterling checked out that one spectacular save though, but Sterling, he's not got the balls yet. Has he now? Mistake, but not Sterling. Absolutely loves it. And Sterling team is welcoming back a hero. Now, Yale's against the second set, looking to make it 2-0. Give pressure to the ball. Here we go. Oh, it's like, way off target. Apparently he's got a field goal. Not better football, I'd say, but good show.
Back now to Scott Sterling. He looks a bit worse for wear, but ready for round 2.
And Shaw takes a moment. Here he goes with the approach.
Oh! Sterling with a fantastic dive. The ball flies straight through his hands, and once again, Scott Sterling
is back!
He's still in the game!
Oh my! And he's taking a very odd tactic now.
Seems to be curling up to protect his face.
Not exactly a recommended technique, but here it goes. Wait, no, Lampert needs to tie his shoe. Ho-ho! And that's why you do a double knot, kids.
Sterling still waiting for the kick to happen. He's probably wondering when. Oh! Sweet butter!
Drop it! Goal to Sterling, right to the face. That man's must be absolutely devastated. He's going to win a wish into a perimeter to a nose and a crash into a hammer. Let's go back.
To Scott Sterling!
The man!
The myth! The legend!
3 perfect blocks by Sterling and his cat-like face reflexes.
Absolutely incredible. Though I must say, Sterling does not look well at all.
Well, you know football players like to have a bit of drama, don't they?
They're going to take him out. No, wait! They brought him a chair!
Oh, a bold move by the manager!
Indeed.
Bain sets up for the 4th attempt.
And this, frankly, is a gimme. He literally just has to kick it anywhere except where Sterling is sitting.
There is no possible way that North Carolina can mess up this shot.
Oh!
158 kilometers per hour!
This man can do
Get back for Messi. When it's Messi, that's a big he has the eyes. Take the best shot. Twist the line, punch him in the face. Over and over and over again. If he makes his final shot, it's all over. But no! He misses. Which is not Sterling.
His face is like a brick wall.
A brick wall that can feel pain and cries a lot.
But where's Sterling? Oh, he seems to be crawling away from the goal. What is he doing?
He's throwing away the bat! Ah!